Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to remove pigeon droppings. If you have a hot tub like this under a tree, or maybe you park under a tree, or maybe there's pigeon droppings on, hopefully not your clothes, but it does happen, you want to remove them safely, and you always want to remember that you want to kill the bacteria that's in the pigeon droppings before you let it come in contact with your skin. First off, you obviously don't want your hands in it, so you might want to spray the bulk of it off with a hose, like so. This is being a little more stubborn, not a big deal. Next thing you want to do is use bleach water. You only need about a tablespoon of bleach in a quart of water to kill the germs that might be in the pigeon droppings. But if you're anything like me, you're going to add a little extra splash just because it's bird droppings. So, spray the area with the pigeon droppings and let it sit for a second, and that'll really loosen it up. And once it's sat there for a second, you should be able to spray it off and it'll come right off. This way, you're not having to put your hands on it. If there are some more stubborn spots, you may have to get a sponge. I brought one out here just for that purpose. And scrub it. You've already killed the germs in it, so don't worry about maybe getting a little bit on your hands. Just wash your hands afterwards. Make sure to spray the bleach water on it first before you touch it, though. And it is that simple. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you clean pigeon droppings.